I'm gonna attempt to do the Cup song from Pitch Perfect. And I love this song, love that movie. I watch the movie like once a week, but love it, so I'm gonna do it. And I have a wicked awesome cup, little Buzz Lightyear, little Woody, to infinity and beyond. No one gets left behind. Classic duo. So let's get it, see if we can do it. It's gonna be cool. I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles of whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights, give you shivers. Sure it would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, gonna miss me when I'm gone. Yay! Hope you like it. Bye! Have a good weekend. Memorial Day weekend. Thank you, troops. Thank you.